Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to study chapter 5, nouns possession. What is the meaning of possession? Possession means to own something or to show relation with the noun. So what could be the definition of possession? Let's have that the nouns that show possession, owning or relation are called possession or possessive nouns. For examples, the king's crown, the girl's bag, the teacher's book, Danny's computer, Mr. Dasa's car, the boy's bats, the women's saris, the lion's cage, the girl's dresses, the professor's flat. So what do we see in these examples? That a special sign is used that is called apostrophe S. This sign is used to talk about these things and it is called apostrophe S. A noun can show what it owns or possesses. We add an apostrophe S to a noun to show ownership. For example, let's take the first one, the king's crown. Whose crown is this? King's. Kiska crown? King ka crown. So that means the king has the ownership on the crown. Okay. So a noun that show ownership or relationship is called possessive noun. Remember that a possessive noun always comes before the nouns that belongs to it, as like this. In the first instance, always remember that possessive nouns always comes before the noun that belongs to it. Here, apostrophe comes after the king's. The king is a noun, correct? And we have used apostrophe S here. So, it comes before the crown. So, to show the ownership of the crown, the apostrophe S is used with the noun kings. Okay, so that means it comes before the nouns that is shows the relation to it. Okay, there are certain rules that are followed to form possessive nouns. Remember that we use an apostrophe S to make a singular noun possessive. Okay, for example, king's crown, the girl's bag, the teacher's book, Danny's computer. Here the noun is singular. एक king है, there is only one king, there is only one girl which we are talking about, then there is only one teacher's book, okay, that we are talking about, then there is one Danny's computer, okay, we are talking about, which means that to make a singular possessive nouns, we add only apostrophe S with the noun. Okay. Now, next rule that you have to learn is we add only an apostrophe, which means only this. We add only an apostrophe to make a plural noun ending in S, possessive. For example, boys, women's, girls. Okay. सो इन दीज एग्जाम्पल्स व्हाट डू वी सी कि ऐसे नाउन जो एस पे ही एंड होते हैं उनके बाद हम सिर्फ एपिस्ट्रॉफी यूज़ करते हैं. वी पुट ओनली एपिस्ट्रॉफी आफ्टर गर्ल्स. ओके, एज लाइक द गर्ल्स ड्रेसेस. देयर आर 2 girls, okay, and they are already in plural form. So we should not use 2 times apostrophe S. We add only an apostrophe after the S. Okay. So the girls' dresses. So we add an apostrophe s to a plural noun that does not end in s to make it possessive. तो ऐसे प्लूरल नाउन जो कि एस पे एंड नहीं होते हैं उनके साथ हम एपोस्ट्रॉफी एस यूज़ करते हैं ताकि उन्हें पॉजेसिव बना सके, पॉजेसिव नाउन्स में चेंज कर सके. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल द डियर्स एंटलर्स. ओके, यहाँ पे in this example we have two deers. So but it not end on s, so we used apostrophe s here. Okay, so the deer's antlers. So quickly let's have the revision of the possession. What is possession? The noun's possession is the nouns that show possession, owning or relation are called possession, and we use an apostrophe s with to make singular noun possessive. For example, cats, boys and toms, and we add only an apostrophe to make a plural noun ending in s possessive. For example, the girls, women's and teachers. If it ends on s, that time we use only as an apostrophe, not an s. Okay, and also remember that we add an apostrophe s to a plural noun that does not ends in s to make it possessive. Okay, and also remember that a possessive nouns always comes before the noun that belongs to it. I hope you have understood what is possessive noun, and try to identify and try to make the singular possessive to the plural possessive nouns. Okay, revise this chapter, learn the definition, and do practice and do solve the exercises. Thank you. I will see you in the next class.